I'll show you how you can join the Discord for Bloxfruit. On the webpage here under Chrome, you want to go ahead and just search up Bloxfruit Discord. Once you have searched up Bloxfruit Discord, you'll find a couple of sections here. On here, you want to visit this one, Bloxfruits. Not this one, not this one, not this one. These are trading servers and it's not the official one. You want to join the official one, which is this one, Bloxfruits, the official community from the popular Roblox flame known as Bloxfruits. Just go ahead and tap on it. Once you tap on it, you might be going to here. Now in here, just want to tap on accept invite. On here, I'm just going to cancel and I'm going to tap on continue to Discord. On continue to Discord, it will open up the web version for Discord. On here, you can see I've already been inside of the Bloxfruit Discord server right here. On here, you want to go ahead and finish the verification. On the verification, you might need to read a couple of the rules here, and you might need to react to a couple of the rules to get full access to your server. But in essence, you are already in the server here and just need to complete a couple of verification to get full access.